So the claim is that this is one of the most beautiful beaches in South Africa.
I'm gonna say the most beautiful beach, bro.
Oh my sack, look at that thing.
Yeah, oh, bro.
Bro, barrels of barrels. I think we're in Cape Town right now. Like, this is Cape Town. We're surfing in boardies in Cape Town. How crazy. Apparently, there's a cave here, so we're gonna go exploring. Bro, check how dark this is. There could dead be someone in there. As long as you can see the light.
There's only young. No, you guys, no.
Holy moly.
What? We've seen these videos before.
Hey, peoples. Look where we are. We are in the place. We've got the boys. Come for a little beach mission. It is 40 degrees today. Apparently we're here quite late. It's 3:30. All of these. The perfect time is when we get here. But yeah, everyone had class, so we spent the morning sleeping and trying not to die. It was literally 40 degrees in Stellenbosch. Oh, I know. Just kick my toe. That was sore. Okay. Yeah, but we're down here. We got the boys. We got Wolf, Ethan, Timothy, David. Tim's back in the vlog. If you guys haven't checked, last time Tim was in the vlog, we went to go charge Jan Sachati.
Yes, that was a legendary mission.
That was a mission and a half. But we're down here at the beautiful... Bro, look at those waves though. Oh, look at that wave.
Oh, dang. No, it's cool.
What? Damn, that thing looks sick. I do have a board in the car in case we decide to go for a surf. Bro, waves actually look dope.
Boogie, bro.
It's in the car if you want to grab it.
Look how fun that shore break even is. Yo, we're gonna get you shacked on the body surfing.
Damn, okay, so we're gonna see. We're activating today. It is a beautiful day down here. Glassy.
Oh, look at that right there.
Bro.
Look at this thing coming through here. Those are too fun, bro.
So the claim is that this is one of the most beautiful beaches in South Africa.
I'm gonna say the most beautiful beach, bro. Like, some would argue Clifton or Camps Bay, but this is different. Because you don't have any houses around.
Facts, it's just nature. Also, what I love about this beach is it's a lot warmer than other spots.
Yeah.
Like, you can actually swim. Oh my sack, look at that thing.
Yeah, oh, bro.
Bro, barrels of barrels.
Ah,
We've made it down. It's looking crazy down here. Bro, look at these views.
unreal, bro.
Yo, this water is actually lovely, bro. Do you think we're in Cape Town right now? Like, this is Cape Town. Damn, okay. Back to nature. We're at this beautiful spot. Check this thing. So it's a little bit hot, so we're gonna got some back to nature today, keeping us protected. We got the boys. You know how it is. Back to nature. We're out here. Swim time. Hey, this water looks lovely. Oh, how's the water? Woo! See that thing?
Operation Get Barrel is a
Let's get shot, let's get shot.
Go, 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 go!
Oh my god, cool!
And we've loaded up on snacks today. Apparently the boys got a big country today. Oh, Sparrow. Okay, oh, we're in the perfect barrel zone right here. Check this thing. Bro, that's gonna be a trick. So you got 20 barrels. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. I got cooked. Oh my god. Go lad! Go lad! Pull it! Pull it!
That was sick! Bro, this place is crazy. Wow. South Africa, you beauty! Okay, apparently there's a cave here, so the boys are gonna go exploring. Crazy these views though. Apparently you need a few phones, so locked in. Cave to oh, to get a wave! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Ah! Yo! Oh, it's cold! Yo, bro, this is dodgy as freak! Yo. Holy crap, this is crazy! This is not even the end of it. Bro, check how dark this is! There could dead ass be someone in there. What was that? Holy! Holy crap! That guy's more, buddy. How far?
You don't get lost, bro.
Wait, bro, my toes does nothing. Yeah, I know, mine did too.
What
Apologies, guys. Okay, we're about to find out what happens when we go into the cave, but before that, we just want to ask you guys something. Check, we're in the little editing cave. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers by July. And we're putting in the videos, we're doing the work. We're trying to make these videos better than ever before. And we really appreciate the support. We'd love to see the love from you guys. So if you can, hit the like and subscribe below. We're trying to get to 2,000. If we get there, we got something pretty excited to share with you guys. Make the Stoked merch, something pretty exciting coming soon. Project Deep loading. So keep your eyes on that. Let's go back to the video. Yo, I can't lie, I'm tweaking a bit. Hey, I don't know what to do. This is gnarly. You just look at 10 foot.
Lost, stok lost.
As long as you can see the light.
If there's ook in jou.
Yeah, look, I should see something, jokes.
Go, go.
I guess in my head.
Is it just straight?
Is that an oak?
No. It's at the end. There wasn't light for you.
No, it's just a... What is that? Yeah, that's nothing.
Yes!
Bro, it's so quiet in here. It's okay, everyone shush,
Wait, guys, just stand up straight and put your flash away.
Oh my god. Okay, wait, everyone keep quiet.
There's more.
There's more!
Hey,
Yo, let's not get lost.
hey lads, I can't lie, like I'm tweaking.
No, I'm checking the fuck But I don't see the end of the tunnel.
No, you don't even just one.
Nah, you are.
Hey, I can't lie, bro, my heart's tweaking, bro.
No, Ethan, bro.
Nah, you guys, nah.
Holy moly.
Nah, bro, I can't see the end, bro. No.
Hey lads, I'm going out now.
Please. No, Daniel, no. Daniel, wait, Daniel, can I go out?
Yeah, you can go.
Please, come with.
I'm not going on.
Come with, please, bro. No, Daniel, please. Daniel, please, bro.
I can't see anything, I shut the...
Wait, no, please, bro, please, come with. I just want to see the ending.
There's a light.
Okay. I'll see you, bro.
We're probably about 50. No, 100 yards.
You guys are chucked. Now this thing follows further. What?
No, oh, so we've seen these videos before, boys.
Nah. Holy. Yo lads, this is sketchy as frick, I can't lie. Okay, everyone keep quiet. Don't move.
That's scary how soft it is, bro. I'll go insane this one.
Yo, check how tight this thing gets, bro. To get more feet. I can see you, Cook. I think it does. Check these bottles on here. Yo, imagine you step on one of these blast things, bro.
It just gets, it feels like there's water here, but it's just because it's so damp in here. Yo, look at that, Charlie.
Wait, does it end there?
Yeah.
Oh, should
Wow. Bro, check it out. That's a little hole that goes there. Bro, I'm like, my heart's tweaking. Every step further I take, I'm just like...
Cause.
Let's enjoy this, boy. Nothing's gonna happen.
I can't enjoy it.
Yeah, bro. I'm like, I'm on the verge.
Oh, yeah, imagine the speaker.
Wow, look at these rocks. Looks like a dinosaur. That looks like dragon scale.
Oh my, see that?
That looks like a tree.
Oh, what?
Where? Wait, what do you mean?
It looks like bark. Wait, everyone, okay, everyone should
Imagine you
let's leave it for like
crack it
15 seconds and just get dead
Just pure
quiet.
darkness.
Wait, oh, so JJ, if someone does come in, let's scare them.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Should we go as deep as we can? Yeah, let's
Or just in the dark, just in the dark.
Yeah, let's see who can last the longest.
Holy crap, I shot myself. I just said water drop, bro. Yeah, I know, but it's... That someone chucked a rock. Who was that? Ethan, you dumb. Ethan, bro. Brother, just
Everyone just closes.
Bro, like imagine they close the door next to the gate.
I'll just try on Instagram live. There's no signal here to get them.
Yo, feel how much warmer that gets immediately. Bro, it's literally... Wait, stand there quick.
Oh, what the hell?
Stand there quick. Feel how cold and you can't hear anything. Walk through now.
I feel like cold this year and I feel like warm.
Walk through. And you can just hear everything.
Oh my phone.
How insane is
Oh,
that?
what? That's crazy, bro.
Check it all, bro. Bro, get out of this thing, bro.
No.
Holy crap, guys. Look at this thing. Look at these things here. Like, look at that.
What is in there?
No, it just goes. Like, just how the rock... Wow, look at this thing, though.
Hopefully, let me get a new grandfather for you, boy.
Bro, the difference is crazy. Like, you're in there, you can't...
appreciate color now, dude. It's like...
Bro, that is like the most trippiest thing. You're in there, you can't hear anything, you can't see anything, and you walk out to this. That cave's scary, I can't lie, I was tweaking. Look at that thing though, that's like a little waterfall. Yeah, tree. This place is incredible. Hey, how do we rate that cave, bro?
9 out of 11, bro. It was crazy. I didn't expect it to be that dark, but that was mental.
The intrusive thoughts were hitting the whole time. Like the whole time we were in there, bro, I was like, this cave's gonna fall, it's gonna collapse.
We must have gone so far deep into that cave, bro. We were like in the middle of the earth.
Little cricket game going on. Catch that thing, bro. David and them are gonna go get the boards. There's this really sick little wave breaking there. Leo and them are surfing it. It looks so fun. It's like this crazy little ride. Look at this. Bro, chatting. Oh my god. Leo on a bomb. Look at that thing. Yee! Oh, what a wave. Okay, David and them are busy surfing. I'm gonna take the surfer out. Get some water shots. Looks so sick. What is that?
Jellyfish. Feel like
Indestructible.
indestructible. Aquaman, what can I say? I attract more fish. Fish in the sea, you know?
We're surfing in boardies in Cape Town. How crazy is that? This was actually so long, I'm gonna walk past. Oh, it's a thumb. Oh, it's a thumb. Yeah, there it goes! So cool. How sick these waves? What you want to tell your brother? Yeah, Ray's cooking it. Yeah, they're really out there. Got 90 of these jellies off. Yeah.
so cool, you don't even see them. One more stroke.
Come on, Wolfie. Okay, right hand. Foot up here. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Okay, left hand up to the right hand.
Grab spot's wet.
Dad, pull yourself up, though. Go, pull. Pull that.
Right hand is, yeah, right hand up there. Okay, right foot all the way across. No, higher. There.
Right here, there's a gap. Put your leg onto it. Leg.
How crazy is that?
He took his own route.
Right hand on that edge there now.
Yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Oh, there we go.
There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go.
Yeah.
Yo, that's a crazy position, bro. Well done.
Yeah.
Now you need to jump down.
Go higher.
Nah, there's no... We got 3 people up to the top. David got it first, then I got it, then what's his name got it, and then he did a flipping front flip off.
Where did we go?
Sunset is time to sunset. Vibing out here. I think we might go explore up to that little thing there. I'm actually going to walk there now. Let's go. Bro, this place is like insane. It's kind of cool. But it's so nice. No sunset swim, golden hour. Absolutely incredible out there. What a day. Good thing it's a little spitters out there. It's beautiful little barrels coming through. Wow, that's actually really stunning. I think the sunset's gonna go mental. Such a fun day down here, it's just so hot and sunny. Started to make a little day move. We've come to this beautiful place. Like, probably one of the most beautiful beaches you've ever seen. And the sunset's gonna go crazy. If you guys enjoyed, we'd love to ask something for you guys. It's completely free. If the videos don't get better, you can unsubscribe. So please show some love. Leave a like, comment. We'd love to see the support. Yeah, we're out here. Beautiful day. GoPro back to nature. And South Africa in all her glory. Wow. Absolutely incredible. Hit that subscribe button. Like, how insane is this? Damn.
Yeah, we just made it back to the car park. That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Bro, it's 8 o'clock, the sun's still.
You ready there, bro?
Ready.
Hey, where's your food, Tim?
There's a non-verbal here.